Welcome. This is part one of your power reclamation ritual, a 4-stage somatic practice to call your life force back into your body. This is how we rise in our Rise program, through the body, the breath, by listening to the places we once silenced. Each part of this journey helps us access and anchor our primal energy, the untamed creative current that runs through your womb, your spine, your voice. In this first stage, we shake. Shaking is the most ancient and direct way to release stored survival stress. We shake to discharge the charge, the overwhelm, the frustration, the grief, and people-pleasing that never had a way out. This is your reset button. This is how the body speaks when the mind is tired of understanding. Let's begin the shake. By standing with your feet hip width apart, knees soft, shoulders relaxed. Let your heels gently bounce, just a subtle pulse. Let the movement travel up your body. Don't overthink it. Let the body just melt. Feel your wrists loosen. Let your jaw ungrip. Begin to bounce a little more and let the energy move like a ripple. Shake your arms. Shake your head gently. Shake the holding. Shake the trying. You're not doing this wrong. There's no wrong way to return to your body. Imagine all the places you have overgiven, over-apologized, over-explained, now being shaken loose. Let your breath move through your mouth, a soft exhale. Maybe a sound, maybe a maybe let it be messy, let it be real. Your sound is your sound. No right, no wrong. Now shake a little bigger. Let your hips move. Let your chest jiggle. This is not a performance. This is permission. You're not here to be nice. You're here to be free. Feel the energy rise from your roots, from the soles of your feet into your spine. This is your body clearing space for something new. You don't need to understand, just feel, just keep shaking. Now let the movement slow, gently, until you come to stillness. Let your eyes close, feel your body pulsing. This is what aliveness feels like. This is your energy, not leaking, but remembering, returning. Breathe. Inhale, pulse, exhale, again, pulse, feel everything that your body is saying to you, every pulse, every beat. And this softening, in this stillness, in this energy rising. This was stage 1, shaking. You've just told your nervous system it is safe to release, safe to return, safe to be seen. When you're ready, we will move into stage 2, dance, where you will begin to reclaim, to rise, to express.